Now, another like the very basic elements as far as history is concerned regarding the past. As far as past is concerned, we have two branches which studies the past. One of the branches named history, another branch called archaeology. And if someone asks the question, what does it mean by history? History studies the past. That's it. గతాన్ని అధ్యయనం చేసే శాస్త్రాన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే చరిత్ర అంటాం. History studies the past, right? Now come to archaeology. మనం పురావస్తు శాస్త్రం అంటాం. Archaeology also studies the past. అరే ऐसा कैसे होता है? ఆల్రెడీ ఒక బ్రాంచ్ ఉంది కదా సార్, ఒక బ్రాంచ్ ఉంది, like that is history. Then another branch called archaeology. When I say history studies the past, archaeology also studies the past. Let me tell you in this way, the goal of both the branches are same, but the way history studies the past is different that of archaeology. Now the actual question starts here. How history studies the past? Annappudu history studies the past through literature. History studies the past through literature. So charitra సాహిత్యం ద్వారా గతాన్ని అధ్యయనం చేస్తుంది. సాహిత్యము, లిటరేచర్. Then how about archaeology? Archaeology studies the past through material excavations. త్రవ్వకాలలో లభించిన వస్తువుల ద్వారా అంటాం తెలుగు. Material excavation. So when I say history studies the past through literature, archaeology studies the past through material excavations. So in material excavations kinda you can have like what exactly mean by material excavations. It can be anything which have to be discovered from the beneath earth. What మనం archaeological terminology లో artifacts అంటాం. ఇది రాసుకోండి. Artifacts. Whatever the material excavated from the beneath earth be given the name called artifacts. Artifacts is a big terminology. Includes pottery, tools, human or animal remains, coins, inscriptions, fossils, whatnot. In a nutshell, artifacts. So artifacts include pottery, tools, human or animal remains, coins, inscriptions, fossils, etc. So let us understand this way: history, historian; archaeology, archaeologist, right? So historian reconstructs the past by sitting in library because he gets literature. What do we get in library? Books, literature. So for historian, library can be considered as laboratory where he or she reconstructs the past. Then how about archaeologist? Archaeologist, he or she has to go to the field. What for? For excavations, for discovery. So we have two branches, though their goal was the same, but the way they study the past is different, right? It's all about history and archaeology. Now come to archaeology. You can write down one or two facts related to archaeology. Happened to be previous questions. One or two facts related to archaeology. The moment you talk about archaeology, we have Archaeological Survey of India, ASI. Archaeological Survey of India. One or two facts related to Archaeological Survey of India. Established in 1861. 1861. The first Director General was Alexander Cunningham. The first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, Alexander Cunningham. The significance of Alexander Cunningham, the father of Indian archaeology. The father of Indian archaeology. Don't ask mother, I too don't know. And we'll be going to learn the other facts which are associated with ASI. In fact, without ASI, forget about Indus Valley civilization. It was Archaeological Survey of India, or we also call Archaeological Survey of British India, because 1861 we were ruling by British, everyone knows. So from 1757 to 1857, British India was ruled by company. From 1858 to 1947, the same British India was ruled by crown under, right? So 1861 అన్నప్పుడు Archaeological Survey of British India అంటే. చలో, ఈ ఫాదర్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి అంటే, you might have studied in the respective subjects. say father of political science, father of history, father of botany, zoology, and even father of mathematics, right? Everywhere you come across the father. What a concept called father, even father of the nation, right? Sir pedda sir, ये father का मतलब क्या होता है? The one who initiates the process in any field, we consider the respective people as father. Then you can pose me the question, why can't mother sir? Why can't mother annappudu? Very simple logic. Because we are in patriarchal societies. Patriarchal. What is meant by patriarchal society? Patriarchal. Patri is a Latin term, the English version male or men. Matri, once again Latin term, the English version female, women. I'm not talking about matrimonial, matriarchal, patriarchal. మన తెలుగులో పితృస్వామ్య వ్యవస్థ అంటాం, మాతృస్వామ్య వ్యవస్థ అంటాం. Saying something patriarchal society का मतलब क्या है? Question अన్నప్పుడు saying something male dominated, right? So let me correct you people. It's not male dominated, it's an male headed society. Unfortunately, we gave a new definition to patriarchal society. ఎవరు సార్? we gave a new definition. అంటే ఏంటి? థియరటికల్గా చూసుకుంటే patriarchal societies are those societies where head of the family or patriarchal family, let us confine. Patriarchal families are like, where we found head of the family happened to be senior male member. Senior male member. ఎవరైనా ఉండొచ్చు. గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఫాదర్ ఉండొచ్చు, పెద్ద బ్రో ఉండొచ్చు, సాయిధరం తేజ్. Senior male member. Patriarchal society. Then how about matriarchal society? Senior female, maybe granny, maybe mother, maybe elder sister, can be anyone. Senior female member, senior male member. Identi definition, theocratic definition. Now come to Indian definition. One of our friends, she was telling it's a male dominated. The answer is yes, male dominated. మళ్ళీ ఇందాక హెడెడ్ అని చెప్పావు కదా సార్, అది యాక్చువల్ డెఫినేషన్. మనం కొత్త డెఫినేషన్ ఇచ్చాంగా. ఏం డెఫినేషన్? మేల్ డామినేటెడ్. మళ్ళీ మ్యాట్రియార్కల్ అంటే ఫీమేల్ డామినేటెడ్. ఇక్కడ మీరు జుట్టు పట్టుకొని కొడితే అక్కడ డబల్ కొడతారు అన్నట్టు, ప్రొవైడెడ్ జుట్టు అందాలన్నట్టు. జనరల్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ త్రూ అవుట్ ఇండియన్ హిస్టరీ వీ ఫౌండ్ patriarchal except Indus Valley society. I'll be going this way. Indus Valley society lo maatrame manam we found matriarchal family system or matriarchal society. And from the days of Vedic civilization where we found patriarchy. And if I'm not wrong, even today we follow patriarchy. Except in one society. If possible, can anyone? If not, I'll tell you that. I repeat, even today we follow in one society where matriarchal system is being observed. No, I'm not asking the tribal societies. I'm talking about mainland societies. Tribal societies lo maximum they follow matriarchal tribal societies. I'm not talking tribal society exclusively. To be specific, మన mainland society lo oka society lo maatrame where we found matriarchal society even today. If possible, can anyone? Don't say Telugu speaking states. illa gurinche maatladukodu. It's in Nair society in Kerala. Nair society in Kerala. అంటే ఏంటి సార్? అంటే జనరల్గా ఇక్కడ మన సొసైటీస్లో ఇన్కమింగ్ ఉంటుందన్నమాట. మాకు అర్థమైంది లేదు సార్. ఇన్కమింగ్ అంటే అమ్మాయి ఇక్కడికి వస్తుందని, మళ్ళీ అక్కడేంటి సార్? అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ఉంటుందని. సో నాయర్ సొసైటీ, ఐ రిపీట్, ఈవెన్ టుడే ఇన్ కేరళ we have Nair community, right? Might have heard, right? So where we found matriarchal family system. Exactly opposite. Patriarchal versus matriarchal. Chalo, koi baat nahi, right? So Archaeological Survey of India. So this is like a concept called father. And in subsequent classes, don't ask mother, right? ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడికి అయిపోయింది అన్నమాట. లేకపోతే కొంతమంది అన్నమాట మళ్ళీ ఈయన ఫాదర్ అన్నప్పుడు మదర్ ఎవరు సార్ అంటే ఒక కూర్చొని చెప్తాను. మదర్ గిద్దరు ఎవరు లేరు. రీజన్ బీయింగ్ patriarchy. We have so many fathers, at least like ఒక డజన్ ఫాదర్స్ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. మా ఫాదర్ పేరే మాకు అట్టని కాదు, ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ బి గోయింగ్ టు స్పీక్ యాజ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మోడర్న్ ఇండియన్ హిస్టరీ. సే రాజా రామ్మోహన్ రాయ్, కొంతమందికి ఐడియా ఉండొచ్చు. మాకు శ్యామ్ సింగ్ గారు ఐడియా ఉంది, రాజమోహన్ అది కూడా చెప్తాను. సో రాజా రామ్మోహన్ రాయ్ హ్యాపెన్ టు బి ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ రినైజాన్స్ అంటారు, ఆర్ ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ సోషియో రిలీజియస్ రిఫర్మేషన్స్ అంటారు. ఇండియన్ రినైజాన్స్ ఆర్ సోషియో రిలీజియస్ రిఫర్మేషన్స్.